Is up, YouTube family? Oh wow, you can't see me at all. Hold on. Let's try this again. How's that? Can you see me? No? Okay. Well, that's just fine. And for the first time, what if I spin myself around? Oh, there. Now we're doing high quality stuff. And for the first time, welcome Reddit. What is going on? We are Reddit live for the next 43 minutes. So YouTube, if you see me doing this a lot, it's because there are two phones pointed at my face currently, and it's hilarious. So I wanted to try this. If I'm looking down, it's because so on top is my my old backup phone, and then on the bottom is my new phone, the phone I use regularly as calling people and whatnot. So the top one is for YouTube, and the bottom one is for Reddit. So if I jump around and start doing this a lot, I apologize. So last video was a real pain to edit. I said that a new video would be coming out tomorrow. That video was actually shot on Thursday, and it took me until Saturday to finish editing because my phone is not where it needs to be. So what I'm going to do a little bit differently, I'm going to see if it works. This time, I'm going to go ahead and cut the video. I'm going to tell you what I'm about to do, cut the video, and then we will then we'll pick up when whatever I said I was about to do is done. And then I'm going to have basically just a bunch of jump cuts on YouTube, but on Reddit, what up Reddit? All, damn, 5? Is that right? Is that 5 people? Is that what that means? I don't know, it's my first time. There's a little people thing, and it says 5 next to it, so that'd be cool. All 5 people here can see what I'm doing live, and they can come in and check it out, and they can leave and whatnot, and that'll all be recorded on my Reddit page. I can link that in the description below as well, but basically saves myself some time on editing. I'm a busy guy. I don't have a lot of time to edit, which is why I talk fast, because I don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to put it up on Reddit here, down here. What up, Reddit family? Y'all are legit. YouTube family, you can check it out when it gets live on YouTube. So today, let's see if I can spin you right round in a way where you can see me. That seems, if I back up over here, you sure can't see me at all. That's no good. Oh, sorry. Somebody, again, messages. So, let's see. If I set you right there, can you see me? Am I in the sun? Nope, I'm in the sun. I'm sorry, guys. I really don't have the quality setup. Okay, that should be good. All right. So for YouTube, I'm probably gonna edit this out. Maybe not. I'll just let it roll live. But on the Reddit, what's up? You get to see behind the scenes. Hopefully that's kind of cool. So for today, we are gonna go ahead and take our scooter parts. We're gonna put everything together. So last time, I went ahead and I cut it all to pieces. Electric scooter, which is why this video is called fabrication, because some part of this is fabrication. Anyway, so we're going to take this. I'm going to mount it to the other side, which I showed you the last YouTube video. Reddit, you can check that out on my channel. I think it should be linked in my profile. I'm bad at this. YouTube. Alright, so we're going to take this like you saw last time. We're going to attach it to those extension pieces right in here. Again, probably can't see that. Video is really dark. It's very dark. I should get a light, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, attach it here. And then hopefully reinforce the motor down here. Maybe get this wire to actually be wired up. And then take this bike here. The back end of that bike. Like I said, cut the back end off and stretch the frame. Not necessarily the frame, but the actual arms of the scooter, so that way I put a much smaller sprocket in order to hopefully do burnouts and go fast. But now the chain's too long, and I could measure and get the right chain, or since I don't have a way to do that, I'm just going to do it this way and actually extend where the chain goes. it might work. Anyways, YouTube, I'm going to sign off. Reddit, you'll see all this live. I'm going to go for a second, get the music set up. But YouTube, I'll see you when I'm done putting the extension piece on, and we'll go from there. Hopefully it'll be entertaining. If it's not, let me know. Hit me up in the comments, and I'll try to do more time-lapse and getting closer so you can see what I was doing. Anyways, YouTube, I'm off. Reddit, stand by. Back, YouTube family. Hanging out here with the Reddit family. Bunch of legit dudes. Dudettes, maybe? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Legit people. So, what I've done this far, rock with me. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Oh. If that's not the most high-quality frame stretch that has ever happened in the whole history, I tell you, that is beautiful. All right, so we got the frame elongulated. Oh, this lighting sucks. Hold on. Oh, well, here we go. Now you definitely can't see me. Okay, that's better. All right, so got the frame elongated. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut up that bike, get the chain tensioner, I guess is what we'll call it, get that all set up, and then we'll be back with more content on that. I'm feeling confident. I got another 11 minutes left on the Reddit before I, go ahead and have to redo this. And hopefully I can get some more people, the Reddit family, to come back. So I'm feeling confident. We've done some good work so far. So a real quick assembly. Hope you're enjoying so far. Reddit family, y'all are legit. Always keeping me company with the comments. Let me back up a little bit. It's weird because the two phones are different, have different zoom, so I have to stand back in one and closer in the other. But that's about it. YouTube, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna get back with you once I'm done with stretching the change. See, no. Universal amnesia. No, I'm not Amish. Thank you, though. I get that comment more often than you would think. YouTube, I'm going to get off here, keep the videos short. If you don't like the shorter videos, let me know. I'll keep in the long cuts and the fast forwards and the heavy metal, and we'll keep doing that. If you don't like it, let me know. If you like this better, just cut around, let me know. Anyways, I'm going to be back off here, and then I'll be back with you when that's done. Hopefully, we'll be doing some burnouts tonight. Anyways, well, it definitely wasn't the plan when we set out. But, sure enough, we built a drag cart. I don't know what I did or why. So we're going to take you through it. All right, so back tire mocked up, not where it's going to sit. It's going to sit somewhere back here. Hopefully with some supports going this way to keep it on the ground. Frame rails are painted black because that makes it faster. Just went ahead and bolted them in. 4 here, 6 in the front. And then mocked up the back tire. Didn't get to slicing up the bike that's over there yet, but I will be doing that. So that's just about all she wrote. That is it for this video. I definitely hope you enjoyed it. Is that better? Stand in the light? I don't know. Hold. She's all cattywampus. That's a little bit better. Hope y'all enjoyed. That's going to be it for this video. Next video coming soon, hopefully. It's going to be... I put the tire on backwards. Not that it matters. It's not bolted to nothing. But next time it's going to be finishing up. Cutting up that seat. Mounting that seat. Or, sorry. Cutting that support bracket. Support. Back there. Cutting up that bike. Make it support. But that's it. I put all the long footage, the actual live stream that I did on Reddit. I put that up on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link that down below. So if you want to go check out what I did and the progress, it took a couple hours. So you know you can skip through it as you please. But if you want to do that, that'll be on my YouTube channel, link down below. Um, Big shout out to Reddit on this video. I got a whole bunch of views, and y'all were really nice to me. Honestly, I wasn't I wasn't expecting. Usually, the internet is for calling each other names behind a keyboard from what I've seen. But y'all on Reddit really came out for me, and I appreciate that. I got a lot of good compliments, a lot of good questions. So my Reddit page that I created for the YouTube channel will also be linked down below. So if you want to go check that out, that's where you can post stuff, ask me questions, post your builds. If you do crazy, stupid stuff like I do, and just kind of redneck everything together like I've done. I mean, that's definitely not sound, but I'm definitely going to give it a test run and see what it needs in order to not try and kill me. I think that would be the ideal scenario. We'll see how that goes, how that all works out. It's very flexy, so maybe that'll be a good thing. It'll be easy to steer. I have my doubts. That's about it. Hopefully this week, I have a week off up here, and I'm not going to go too much into that, but I do have a week off. So I'll be doing more of this stuff, I hope. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry the intro was a little bit goofy. I was setting up the Reddit live stream as well as trying to film an intro, so it didn't work out at all. Got to do one, then the other. No big deal, but lessons learned. Hope y'all have a good night. God bless. Happy Sunday. Hope your work week doesn't suck. And I will see you in the next video. All right, everybody.